Hey, it's Paar here, and we're going to teach you how to post to your Instagram page on your PC. You can do this in Safari, on your Mac, or on your PC. We're going to show you how to do it on your PC, so watch this. It's very similar, and hope you get the information. Remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell up top, and we're going to show you right now. So we're in Google Chrome. So make sure you're using Google Chrome. Go to your Instagram page. We're at one of our clients' page, Forexa USA. And it's a very simple process to do this. A lot of people are trying to buy software out there or use Grambler, which doesn't work very often. But you can see these three little dots up here. And this is a part of your Chrome, Google Chrome, and you're just going to tap on that and go down to more tools. So in that, it'll create another drop down here, and then hit developer tools. And once you hit developer tools, you're going to get the screen, and it's going to show you different options. You want to hit this device button right here, toggle device, and you can toggle this on and off. So desktop look is there, and mobile is there. You want the mobile version to toggle to the mobile, and then hit this drop down. Make sure it's not unresponsive. I just suggest that you use iPhone X, whether you're a Galaxy user or an iPhone user. This is just for the computer's sake. So click on iPhone X, and then basically you're just going to go up to this refresh button up here. We're going to refresh the screen, and we get the plus symbol down. So now we can actually do what we need to do in Instagram, and I can actually close out that developer tool with the small X over there. And I've already grabbed some content and just copied and pasted it. So what I'm going to do is hit this plus symbol to create the post. I'm going to grab an image, some image that would be good here. And I'm just going to go ahead and grab this one. It's pretty large per se. So I'm just going to let me grab a different image there, but I'll just hit the plus symbol. We'll grab a different image here. And this one looks good here. And then we can hit next. And you can edit the image if you want and add filters. So it just depends what you want to do here with it. But you can see the filters are down here. And it doesn't give you the ability to move this image around. But I'm going to hit next, and we're going to see what it looks like. And I see the image up here. I'm going to add my caption information in there. So we've got turnkey solutions. I've got my hashtags in there. I'm going to hit share, and it's sharing the image, and then bam, there you go. I can hit more. I see all my hashtags in there and everything else. I can go back to the home page, Forexa. There it is, and it looks great. So that's all you've got to do to post from your computer. Just remember those three little dots, more tools, developer tools. And once you've already done this, your computer's going to remember that you've done it, and you can go back in there and do it again. So hopefully this helped you. Remember to hit that subscribe button. I always post a lot of videos, informational videos, great resources, even videos to increase your revenue for this year. So hope you got a lot out of this. Hit that like button below. Comment if you have questions. I always answer the questions within 24 hours. Thanks for watching. Have a great year.